Hi loves! Welcome or welcome back. Today's bridal look is soft, modern and quietly striking, perfect for the bride who wants a cool tone glam that feels elevated yet effortless. Soft matte browns, silver sparkle and a sculpted luminous complexion. It's minimal and refined to glow beautifully in any light. Stay tuned until the end for more shots of the final look. To begin the eyes, I'm using a light cream shade from the Revolution palette to brighten under the brows. I'm applying this with a short flat brush to softly carve out the brow bone, keeping it clean and natural. Next, I'm taking a soft beige tone and blending it just above the crease using a large fluffy brush. With gentle sweeping motions, I wing the shape out slightly towards the temples to lift the eyes and create a romantic open shape. To build depth, I'm using a dark neutral brown on a smaller blending brush, focusing it softly into the outer crease and outer V. The goal here is to build a subtle gradient while keeping everything seamless and diffused. I'll also work the same shade into the outer corner of the lid using soft circular motions for a hazy smoky blend. For added structure, I'm taking a deep cool brown on a detail brush and applying it precisely to the outer lid and crease, concentrating the depth on the outer third of the eye to maintain that soft bridal shape. To brighten the lid, I'm going back in with the original cream shade, gently pressing it across the mobile lid and blending it into the outer depth for a seamless transition. For that radiant bridal glow, I'm layering a soft rose silver shimmer across the lid, blending it gently towards the outer third. Then using a flat brush, I'm pressing another layer of shimmer at the inner corner to catch the light and create a luminous effect. Next, I'm applying black eyeliner to the upper and lower waterlines for subtle definition. Using a small detail brush, I'm taking the same dark cool brown to lightly smoke out the lower lash line and then softening it with a smudge brush to keep the finish diffused and romantic. To frame the eyes, I'm using black liquid liner to draw a fine line along the upper lash line, finishing with a small delicate flick at the outer corner. A single coat of volumizing mascara lifts and defines the lashes without overpowering the look. I'm finishing with mid-length lashes that enhance the eyes with just a touch of drama, perfect for keeping the overall feel soft, bridal and elegant. For the complexion, I'm bronzing with a neutral tan shade, sweeping it softly under the cheekbones, temples and hairline using a large fluffy brush to create natural definition. I'll use a fan brush to lightly contour along the sides and tip of the nose for a subtle sculpt. For blush, I'm applying a soft terracotta tone in circular motions to the apples of the cheeks, adding warmth and freshness. I'll layer a champagne peach highlighter above the cheekbones, across the nose bridge and tip to give that bridal glow. To complete the look, I'm lining the lips with a rosy brown pencil to enhance the natural lip shape. I'll gently buff the edges inward for a soft ombre effect before applying a creamy pink-beige lipstick to the centre. After blending, I'll go back in with the liner to refine the shape and finish with a layer of sheer sparkling lip gloss for that glassy, light-catching finish. And that completes today's bridal look. This look is perfect for brides who want to feel radiant, confident and effortlessly beautiful. It's soft glam at its most timeless, understated, polished and full of romance. You'll find the full list of products used in the description below. If you enjoyed this tutorial, show it some love by liking and subscribing. It means the world to me. Feel free to share it with someone planning their big day or anyone who loves soft, radiant makeup. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram for more posts and reels. Thank you so much for watching, sending you so much love, and I'll see you in the next one.